Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming you have one focus potion and one Maxima potion, plus an empty vial. Why? Because timing matters. These items interact only within a tight window. Once ready, move to a safe zone and pause nearby threats. Make sure you've cleared interruptions. First, equip the focus potion to your quick-use slot, then prepare the Maxima in slot 2. This arrangement lets you trigger one immediately after the other, so start now and keep your hands steady. You apply focus first because it grants immediate precision and targeting benefits. This creates the foundation for Maxima to enhance. Once done, make sure to trigger Maxima within 3 to 5 seconds. This timing stacks durations rather than overriding them. As you do this, adjust your position to capitalize on the bonuses and avoid damage that could interrupt the process. If the game allows quick-use binds, use them. Short, deliberate button presses are superior to long presses. They reduce failure risk. You finish by verifying both buff icons are active. This confirms successful stacking. If durations are short, plan to reapply on cooldown, staggering the reapplication by 1 to 2 seconds to avoid accidental overrides. If it didn't work, clear any debuffs and reset your quick-use slots. Sometimes effects won't apply if a status blocks potion use. Then repeat the precise sequence from a safe distance. One key troubleshooting tip: if icons don't appear, restart the sequence after canceling animations. That usually fixes sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.